Try this stuffed chicken at home and impress your family. It's super easy to prepare and tastes delicious. Let's start by slicing 500 grams of chicken breasts. Using a hammer, beat the slices to make them even softer. Now season the chicken with 1 full teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of mild paprika, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Use your hands to blend the spices together with the chicken. You can use your favorite spices. Pay attention to carefully rub the spices on every piece of chicken. Follow what I'm doing, then put the chicken aside. Next step, slice half an onion. Then dice 1 tomato. Just follow my moves. Using a grater, grate 3 cooked eggs. Write in the comments below where you're watching us from, so that I can personally thank you for keep on watching our recipes. We'll be super happy. Now, grate 150 grams of mozzarella cheese. Put all the ingredients we have just cut and grated into a bowl. Then, add parsley to taste. Also, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of mayo. Mix well. If you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and comment below, "I love chicken recipes." In a baking pan, drizzle some oil and spread it across the surface. Now put the chicken breasts inside. Add the mixture we've just prepared on top of the chicken breasts. Spread it across using a spoon. Try this recipe at home. I'm sure you won't regret it. As a final touch, sprinkle some grated mozzarella cheese on top to taste. Put it in the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. And our recipe is done! Super quick and easy to prepare. Perfect for your lunch or dinner. I really hope you liked our recipe. I will now go to reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!